Hello guys, welcome back to another Scratch video. Today I'm gonna show you another interesting Scratch project called the Tactic Blocks. Let's dive in. You need to press the B key on your keyboard to start the game. Here are the instructions. Reach the right edge of the stage and level up. Use the arrow keys to move the yellow block. Touch a red block and you will lose a life. Touch an empty black space and fall. Click here to begin. It's generating the level right now. If I touch a black block, I will fall. If I touch a red block, I will take damage. I have to reach the right edge of the stage. It's generating another. The further you go, the harder each level gets. And on some levels you have to sacrifice your lives to win. It has 11 levels. Let me show you what happens when you lose. Epic fail. Press your